What's good, YouTube? I am back with another video. I'm finna do this reaction video on Fatty featuring Big Scout from OP, Chicken Trev, and Chicken Pete, the song called Motion Picture. So let's get right into this video.
Shout by DH.
Shout out by DH.
Hold on. See you guys. Hey, enjoy you guys.
Hey, thank y'all.
Hey,
I got motion, little bitch, this a motion picture in the ocean. You gon' say he in the water with him, got the cat parked around the corner, still can start the engine. Why the fuck they get me started? Now you little niggas still major T.I. You little niggas peon. My little bitch coming like she be bustin' up with free on. Your brothers on me on us throwing bees, this a beat. I sell dope, fuck I look like dropping fries in a deep fry. I'm a legend, bitch, I ain't never meet John. Fuck around and rob the church, I'm like me, John. I heard y'all broke ass running around selling cheap pounds. First I get the doggy, then I'll beat it down.
We be run the bags through the day shift. Case bitch, split the 20 ball on my first kiss. My money long, I'm on my money phone.
Small town with that shit I just stepped on.
I'm the man now. What you thought I was frontin'? Tryna hunt it to a brick. I'ma show you niggas something. Drop 30 on my wrist and I spent that like it's nothing. I ain't frontin'.
Car full of scarf like we hunting. Fish tailing in the can, I'm parking sideways. Wrapping up the balls until we send them up the highway. Caught it like a
I ain't gonna lie, they doing good so far. They going crazy so far. You know what I'm saying?
at his house and left him in the driveway. I'm the plug in the socket, you gon' need a fireway. Chicken T and Chicken P, you know we in the mix. We was busting down them birds, you ever seen a brick? Chopstick, you long as fuck, it's like a hockey stick. Fatty can't keep swerving in that fiscal, he got an ice grip. Down Julio, I got the Glock too. Why the fuck you tell them people that I shot at you? This bitch your last on some hoes, that's what we not gonna do. She was OT with my man, that is not your boo.
You can never run it up, you can't afford to focus. I ain't got a choice to score when I'm sloping. That blender with this shit until the wine broke it. First start smacking the roll, now it's my frozen. I said, bitch, it's not a game, I don't watch Frozen. He keep thinking here, I put a box on him. Doggy had an iMac when he cropped brownie. I ain't playing on the rep when I say drop 40.
Hey, this song was short, but I like how they all like went back to back to back on each other. You feel me? Like I like that. I fuck with this song. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Comment down below which video you guys want me to do next. Follow my Instagram at dd_tube. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.